Hello guys, Project Tembo here. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about React. You call it React, which is a JavaScript library that is used to build fast and interactive user interfaces. So React was created at Facebook in 2011. This time around, Facebook is called Meta. So Facebook is the one that created React in 2011. And as we're talking right now, React is the one that is dominating the spaces of libraries and frameworks for building user interfaces. So at the heart of React, you have components. A component is typically a piece of user interface. So when you're building applications with React, you build a bunch of independent, isolated, and reusable components. And then you compose them together to build a complex user interface. So when building applications with React, unlike Angular or Vue, because Angular and Vue, these are complete frameworks. These are complete solutions for your web application. This means that Angular or Vue will give you a structure. It will define the structure of your application. But React gives you the flexibility to choose which library you prefer for things such as calling HTTP requests, routing, state management, and so on. But personally, for global state management, I use Zustand, which is a very, very powerful React library for global state management. For normal context-based state management, you can use the state hook, by the way. Yeah, that is essentially a thing. So React, this library behaves pretty much like a framework. Okay, you see, JavaScript, I don't know why JavaScript is like this. JavaScript always tries to come up with so many libraries and frameworks out there. It's not consistent, even though it's becoming the world's most popular. By the way, Singapore Python, it can never surpass Python no matter what. JavaScript will always be there, but Python will be on top, the #1 programming language in the world. So, React tried to blend in terms of the component-based architecture, and it inspired so many frameworks. One of the best framework that React ever inspired is React Native, which is actually a framework for building native mobile applications using the React-like style. So with React Native, you can build mobile applications using the React concepts, even though you're not targeting the browser, but typically you're targeting the underlying Android or iOS operating system. React, even double sign, because the way it interacts on the web page, it fakes a lot of things. A lot of things are very fake about React, including the virtual DOM. Do you know that React doesn't use a real DOM? It uses a virtual DOM. It tries to deceive you as if it's using the real DOM, whereas in the background it's using a virtual DOM. Hey.